Hi, I'm going to show you how to make some dry meat with the meat slicer. I got it set at 5, the depth, and we're going to slice some moose meat with the slicer and make dry meat with the slicer. Okay, educational. Better when you half freeze it. It'll be solid. Half frozen, it works a lot better. So freeze your meat first, then cut it half frozen. If it's frozen, you don't have to put your hand here. You use this when it's half frozen. But the meat is just fresh leg. You gotta watch yourself. Just put it on the, like that. We'll put it on the meat slicer. Here's a good one. I think I'll freeze them, and then I'll cut them. Just showing you how to do it. But it has to be frozen, half frozen, and so it doesn't come out like, it don't break up. Half frozen comes out really good. And we'll take this and put it in our smoker. Thank you. Day 2 on our dry meat making with the slicer. I'm going to show you one with the, it's kind of frozen, kind of half frozen. Alright. Okay, we'll take this meat and I'll show you my smoker and we'll smoke this meat. I got these stove racks from a stove, so we'll just put it on there. Voila. And you can make a smokehouse like this, 4 walls and a roof, and you put tin inside so that it doesn't burn down. And on the side here, you can see I made a window. I didn't finish it yet. You could make it slide out or lift up so you could take your meat out and slide it in and out. I gotta fix the door and I gotta fix that yet. I got a washer tub or a dryer tub, one of the two, and I just put 2x4s this way and 2x4s this way and 2x4s this way. Can you have a look? But the 2x4s and at the rack and the window. Yeah, and we'll put the meat in. And I just put it on like this. See that? And these already, I got these in there. Turn them around. Not quite yet ready. Some are 2 hours. So I smoke it for 2 hours and turn it around 2 hours again, and I dry it in the oven just till it's dry. Then I spread it out till it's dry, and that's how you make dry meat with the slicer. If I can make dry meat, you can make dry meat too with the slicer. Hope this video was educational. Thank you.